I would like to say that fashion is not limited. It's very high end and very wide. So as we are growing further, it's growing. So International Fashion Week is able to bring the designers to Dubai from all over the world, as always. Always we have big lineups from various parts of the world. This time was a big achievement from Japan, which is Japanese designers never came to Dubai. We are the first one to bring them, so it will continue. The tiring one, I would say,
Obviously.
because of all current scenarios of the world. But we managed to pull up the event, and with all the great difficulties, still we managed that designers from Japan, Paris, and Tunisia, Syria, and always it's international. You know that.
As I know that it is very difficult job to do. How you are able to manage this?
Yeah, just it's if your passion is not there, you cannot do anything. So this is the passion.
This is the passion of
This is the passion. Yes.
Cherile. Passion. Huh?
Passion, yes. Kayak News is thank you so very much. Always you guys are there supporting the fashion and us, and we are very glad that you came. Thank you very much.
I'm from Moldova. I'm here because my cousin is a model, and I came here in Dubai for 1 week, and like I was surprised about every people, every place. It was amazing. I wear this traditional Arabic dress because I really like Arabic traditions, and also the dresses, the outfits women here make. So for me, it's a pleasure. It was an amazing night because we had a lot of different types of people, different types of models, dresses. It was amazing because every designer demonstrated how he can make his imagination a reality, and it was amazing. I really liked all the dresses. The designers were amazing.
の代表で来ました草加市というチームでネイルデザイナー世界に広げてます。パリコレやニューヨークコレクション、ローマコレクションなどなどたくさんのショーに参加させていただいて、今回はドバイに参加させていただいて、みんなですごくいい経験ができて、これからもまたドバイに行きたいなと思いました。
来れてとても良かったです。またドバイ来れたらいいなと思います。ありがとうございます。Okay, thank you.